Hello students, now we shall study various cell organelles or various cell components. So various cell components are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and so on. So we shall study them one by one. At first we shall study endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, which are known as ER in short. So first point about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. So one is that it is membrane bound structure. It is membrane bound structure. It's mean this structure is enclosed by a membrane and it consists of membrane, sheets, etc. It is of two type. It is of two type. Endoplasmic reticulum can be either rough endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, which in short is known as RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is known as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now we shall study them one by one. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is RER. Now question arises, why it is known as rough? It is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum because if we see with the electron microscope, then its surface appears to be rough, and that is due to the attachment of ribosomes. If we observe by electron microscope, then its surface appears rough. It is due to ribosomes. Ribosomes are found attached with its surface. Ribosomes are found attached with its surface. Now this ribosome attached with the surface of RER help in protein manufacturing. So ribosomes attached with surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum help in protein synthesis or manufacturing have the same meaning. Manufacturing. So it was about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why it is rough? Due to the attachment of the ribosomes. And now next topic is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as, in short, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is the character of ER, either it is smooth or rough, that it is a membrane bound structure. We can write in both, it is a membrane bound structure. Surface of smooth endoplasmic reticulum appears smooth when observed by electron microscope. It manufacture fat or lipid. So it is about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now structure of endoplasmic reticulum we can draw like that. These diagrams are not drawn in NCERT or in notes, so you have to draw them properly. You can draw like this. Here you can show nucleus. They are generally found around the nucleus. So it is endoplasmic reticulum. Now with some surface you can show ribosomes. These are ribosomes. Now because ribosome is attached with this surface, so we can call it rough endoplasmic reticulum. And remaining with which there is no attachment of the ribosome, you can say these are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This one you can say smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and as a whole it is endoplasmic reticulum. So thus it is structure of endoplasmic reticulum. We have studied ER, SER, RER and its structure. Now we shall study function of endoplasmic reticulum. Function of endoplasmic reticulum. Some function may be of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and some may be rough. So function number 1, as we know that ribosome attached with the RER produce protein. So protein manufacturing is the character of ribosome as well as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes attached with surface of, now I am writing in short, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome attached with surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum produce, synthesize, manufacture protein. It distribute this protein to various parts of cell. That is, it send them where they are required. Second, smooth endoplasmic reticulum produce lipid or fat. It is function of smooth as well as whole ER. Now after that, it forms skeletal framework. Of cell. It forms the skeletal framework of the cell. It provides surface for various biochemical activities. It provides surface for various biochemical activities. Inside the cell, various biochemical activities occurs. For that they require surface, because it is a membrane bound structure. It has various long membrane, therefore it provides that surface. It help in membrane biogenesis. Is performed by it, लिख देते हैं, performed by it. Now we eat various toxic substance. Toxic means not poisonous in that sense, like various drugs and medicines, tea, coffee. Such substance has toxifying, poisonous effect. तो दैट टॉक्सिफाइंग इफेक्ट majorly affect the liver, so that is removed by the endoplasmic reticulum. It remove toxic effect of various drugs, means medicines and other substance on liver or on liver cell. So thus it perform this detoxification work. So this work is known as detoxification. So these 5 points were all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Now we shall study 2 terms which come in it: membrane biogenesis and ribosomes. Next topic in it we study membrane biogenesis. It is process of formation of cell membrane, that is plasma membrane, with the help of protein manufactured by ribosome attached to surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum and lipid or fat manufactured by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So membrane biogenesis is a process by which plasma membrane, which is also known as cell membrane, if any repair is required, that repair or formation is done by the protein produced by ribosomes and lipid and fat produced by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now we come across ribosomes in this topic, ribosome. So these are spherical bodies found attached with surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum, due to which its surface appear rough when observed by electron microscope. Such minute structures cannot be observed by normal microscope. They are observed by high power microscope known as electron microscope. And its function, you know, function of ribosome. It manufacture, synthesize, prepare protein. So this was all about the endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosome. Now we shall study the next organelle, Golgi apparatus. इसको भी स्मॉल में कर देते हैं, गोल्जी एपरेटस. वन थिंग इज दैट इट हैज़ वेरियस नेम. इट इज known as Golgi bodies also. तो Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus or have the same name. So it was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. It was discovered, it was first observed by Camillo Golgi. It is also a membrane bound structure. It is also a membrane bound structure. Also means like endoplasmic reticulum, it is also that. It consists of sheets and fluid filled vesicles arranged parallel to each other. So it consists of sheets and fluid filled vesicles arranged parallel to each other. It make a complex membrane system with endoplasmic reticulum. With endoplasmic reticulum, it make a complex membrane system. Because ER and Golgi apparatus both has membrane, therefore they together make a membrane system, complex membrane system. It was about this. Now we shall study its structure and function. It is general about Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. Second is structure. In structure we can show like this. Its structure is also not shown in NCERT. So these, as I write, fluid filled vesicles arranged parallel to each other. These are fluid filled vesicles which are arranged parallel to each other. तो it is structure of Golgi apparatus. These are known as cisterns. If you want to write, it's okay. So this was about the Golgi apparatus, discovered by first observed by Camillo Golgi. Membrane bound structure consists of sheets and membrane has fluid filled vesicles arranged parallel to each other. It is structure. Now we shall study its function. Functions. It help in formation of lysosomes, which we shall study in next topic. So it help in formation of lysosomes. In next class we shall study what are lysosomes. It converts simple sugar into complex sugar. Now we know that various substances are formed in different parts of the bodies, different parts of the cells. So it store, pack and dispatch various substances manufactured in different parts of cell to target site. Now it help in formation of lysosome. Lysosomes are again other component of the cell which help in digestion of foreign materials. We shall study next topic that it act as suicidal bag at digestive system. It converts some simple sugar into complex sugar, and various substances are produced at different places in the cell and they are required at different places. Target sites mean sites where they are required, like protein is manufactured at ribosome or RER, but it is required by other parts also. So this Golgi apparatus stores such substances where they are produced, pack them and dispatch them, send them at the sites where these substances are required. So we say such sites target site. So today we have studied two components. One is endoplasmic reticulum, another is Golgi apparatus. Both are membrane bound structure, both consist of membrane, both together make a complex membrane system. Endoplasmic reticulum can be either rough or smooth. It is rough when ribosome attached to its surface. Ribosome produce protein, or smooth endoplasmic reticulum produce fat, that is lipid, and they perform various functions like detoxification, membrane biogenesis, production of protein, fat, lipid, etc. Golgi apparatus, they were first observed or discovered by Camillo Golgi. They are also membrane bound structure. They help in preparing production of lysosomes, convert simple sugar into complex sugar, and this one they store, dispatch and send various substances which are produced at one place in the cell but which are required at different place in the cell. Now in the next class we shall study about lysosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast, which are other components of the cell. They are known as component as well as organelles. Organelles, or what you say, organelles. So remaining organelles or components we shall study in next class. Thank you.